Welcome in to another woolly review. Today we have Cygnet Whopper Cotton. These are in some wonderful colours, nice and bright and vibrant, but we're not here for the colour, we're here to find out how it works. Oh my gosh, we've got a guest. Oh my gosh. Do you mind? Awfully. Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry. She was asleep. I sit down, I start recording, and in she comes. This shade is called Canary. The cheapest place I have found it at point of recording is at the Secret Yarn Stash for £2.25. It's 100 grams cotton and premium acrylic 50-50% mix. And this, as you can see, is pretty thick. So let's give it a go. I haven't used it before, but I'm about to now. So let's get it on my holder and let's see. And I'm using my 6mm hook here. My customised one from Miss Jelena over at Cutlery Designs on Etsy. She is linked down below, and you'll see my stitch markers off in the corner up here. New variety of colours to be had. If you'd like any, just email me and let me know what you'd like. I am regularly putting a post out on my channel with regard to how much they are and what is available. Lots and lots of colours is the answer to that one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. This is splitting really badly, really badly. You can see this is not a good start, I have to say. But carry on regardless. Do some half double crochets. It feels fairly soft in the hand. There's not a problem there. But of course, with it splitting so badly, that could pose problems with any projects that might be used with this. This is definitely something that I'd keep away from the kitchen. Oops. Oh, it's splitting so bad. It is lovely and soft. Would I wear it? Oh my gosh, the splitting. Would I wear it? Yes. Yes, I'd wear it. I just wouldn't put it anywhere near the kitchen. I have Beanie here supervising me, watching what I'm doing. I mean, to show stitch definition, for sure. Pretty sure this will frog nice and easily, but the splitting aspect of it doesn't make for a nice work. Yes, granted, I could go up a notch with the hook. I'm not going to. I am using what is recommended. I highly doubt going up a hook would solve the splitting issue though. Okay. It's wonderfully thick, pretty stretchy, pretty splitty, slow, quick, frogs pretty well, hardly any crimping. It is nice and soft. If you can put up with the splitting, I think it'd make a really nice wearable. And like I said, there are some wonderful vibrant colours for this. But let's bring out the ladybirds. Okay, so would I dismiss it entirely and say, oh heck no? No. Would I be very much in the state of, ugh, is that it? Is that all I've got to use? Ugh. No. Would I be, yeah, that'll do. That'll work. That's okay. Yeah, I think I'm going to keep it at a 3. It is lovely and soft. It is a wonderful chunk. The splitting is the thing that lets it down incredibly. Incredibly. Thank you, Beanie. It's a big letdown with the splitting, but it's soft enough that I would be okay to use it for a wearable, or something that would be against my skin somewhere. So, for Whopper Cotton by Cygnet, 3 ladybirds out of 5. If this has been any use to you whatsoever, please don't forget to do a thumbs up. And maybe if yarn is your thing, maybe you'd be willing to go and subscribe down there as well, right next to the like button. Of course, there is always the membership join as well. Subscribing costs nothing. Membership actually helps upgrade the channel to help bring better content and better made content. Hopefully, I will see you again soon. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.